Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We can see that Bitcoin right now is back to 46,784, and like I said yesterday, a good point to short would be around the 200 daily moving average, which we did get rejected so far for the time being. So we entered in our trade today at 48,000, shorted that a little bit towards the downside, and made a good nice 30% gain on the day. Again, if you are still holding your trade, you could be up 60% right now depending on the amount of leverage you're using. I decided to use 30 on that trade, made a nice 31%. Again, if you're holding, you're probably up 60. You know, if it starts to drop even more, then you know your gains are going to get compounded there and increased by a significant amount. And as you can tell by the thumbnail of the title, we have begun, excuse me, burp there. We have begun our investment challenge or trading challenge, if you will, but it's going to be on the stock market in the Discord. So I shared my first trade so far in the Discord. We bought just a quick position on the UVXY right now. As you can see right here, I just tabbed out there, sorry. UVXY, just a ProShares Trust VIX short-term futures ETF to track some volatility, leverage up a little bit. Planning on making a good amount there. You know, I expect some volatility in the market, as you know, we've had a significant rally, so I expect a pullback coming, but we're gonna have to see what happens. Overall, you know, it's been going down but you know, you never know what could happen in the markets. But yeah, overall guys, if you want to see my trades, you can join the Discord. Again, by the way, in the Discord you do not get access to Market Cipher. If you don't know already, Market Cipher has to be purchased on its own. Even if I wanted to share the script with you guys, it's hidden, right? CryptoFace hides the script for a reason. And if you guys don't want to pay for Market Cipher, there's a free version out there. There's a lot of free versions. So copying Market Cipher, obviously you won't get the DBSI and all the all the other features, but overall there's some copies out there. Anyways guys, let's get back into it. We can see right now we are getting rejected at this white trend line, as we could see, acting as a significant amount of resistance right now. If we do come down, we have some support coming in at 44,912. Again, if we do keep our our move going towards the upside, next resistance level is going to be coming in at 49,174. So if you want to short, place your short orders there, but again, get ready to set your stop losses right above. You know, you don't want to take too much of a risk at this moment. We have a pretty strong uptrend. Excuse me. And April 1st is in a couple of days now. I mean, we're the 29th, tomorrow's the 30th, 31st, and then 3 days, April 1st. So Daniel's target is 52,000 by April 1st. So we got to hit this mark right here, basically the top of these wicks right here, and that's 52,000. And if we hit there by April 1st, then Daniel's prediction would have been correct. So if all you lucky members in the Discord would have made a good amount of money. So let's take a look at how much Daniel's up still. Daniel's still holding his trade at 34,700. So right now he's probably up he's still up 350% basically. So overall doing quite well. So congratulations to you, Daniel, my friend. You deserve every dollar you make. And it looks like Kenny's gonna be following me on this in this trading challenge, or stock trading challenge, or 10k to 100k. Obviously that's like a 10x on your account, but again, it can be done. It's obviously going to take a little bit longer, but what I like about it is that I'm going to be able to do it on a more active basis. I'm going to be doing my swing trades. Again, leverage trading for me has to be very active, and when I have a full-time job, it's quite difficult. So I always do my best, and if that's my trades aren't always winning, but today we had a pretty good one, made up for a lot of the losses from previous trades, but overall still doing quite well. Again, let's take a look at gold quickly. Gold, started broke down from this level right here. I had a wick to the downside. On the daily time frame, you can see it's just a big wick to the downside. I still expect gold to have a significant pullback, from this strong rally. Maybe come back to this first high right here around 1871. Maybe find some support there. That would be a great buying opportunity if you guys want to start to open some longs there. Probably pick up some gold stocks as well. As we can see right here, gold stocks, getting a nice green day for the gold stocks overall. But I did take some profits on NGT the other day, locked in 7,000 in profit. And as we can see right here, silver holding the support very strong. I did say, you know, longing around $24 for silver would be quite a good idea. And as we can see, we're holding support very strong. And now we've just bounced off of that and we're back into the resistance box. So once we get over this and, you know, hold it as support and we really get moving, then that's going to be extremely bullish for silver, and even more bullish for the silver stocks as they are undervalued. And when, let me tell you, when the silver stocks get going, they're going to be flying like the tech stocks. Basically, as we can see, you know, big day in the tech sector today. Overall, you know, Robinhood up 24%. And I believe Rivian Motors up 17% on the day, 17.18. So doing very well, you know, if you're trading tech stocks. But again, the overall markets, you know, you can't ignore the current economic conditions that we are in. We are in a rising interest rate environment. The yield curve has inverted. And, you know, it's only a matter of time before the economy can't take it and the market starts to reverse down. So enjoy the good times while they last. That is my opinion. And I believe that if this keeps going on, Bitcoin is going to have a strong retracement with the traditional market. So that's why I was so bearish for such a long time, and I still am, because just of the current market conditions. But yeah, anyways, I think big things are coming. The DXY is starting to come down right now, you know, still holding this level as support. As we could see, if we do break down, you know, we have some levels coming in at 96.8, but you know, overall I still expect the dollar to go down a significant amount. But you know, people may not realize that yet, so they're probably going to keep selling gold and buying dollars, and the dollar is going to keep strengthening until it won't, because at one point people are going to realize, like, wow, the Fed isn't doing anything about inflation, they're just going to keep printing money. So, and even the Fed, when they said they were starting their taper, they actually printed $48.1 billion. So they added that to their balance sheet, setting it at a new record high, even though they said they're here to taper. So it's, you know, it's one thing saying things and it's another like doing them, right? So they're talking a lot of game, but they're not doing anything to support their actions. So always look at the facts, guys. And the facts are that they're not here to fight inflation. They're here to prop the markets and print up money. So at one point they won't be able to, and they're gonna have to choose between tanking the dollar and tanking the economy. And we've talked about this many times before in the Discord and on YouTube. And right now, Ethereum looking like we might come down to 31.56. If we don't, our next resistance level is going to be at 36.59. So always look at those levels, guys. I'm going to be paying attention to these levels if we do end up longing or shorting. So that's what I like to look at. But yeah, overall, I think we're running out of steam right now in the traditional markets. Obviously, a resolution in the Ukrainian war right now would push up the markets even more. So let's keep an eye on that for the time being. Oil back down to 106. So overall, I think we're gonna make a good amount of money with this trading challenge. And if you guys want to join on the journey, you guys can join the Discord for $10 a month and see my trades. Well, you actually, for the time being, you can actually join the silver membership and still see my stock trades. And well, eventually I'll move it on to the gold membership, just giving one a taste, a preview of what I can do with swing trades and, you know, leverage trades. I can guarantee you it's going to be significantly more impressive over the long run with my swing trades than it is going to be with the leverage trades. So if you guys want to get in on that, you guys can join the Discord. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And if you want to do some leverage trading, you guys can sign up for bigget.com. Links in the description. Probably the best exchange on the market in my opinion. Peace.